What we're gonna do today is we're gonna learn how to do a little showcase for kids around 5 years old, 4, 5, 7. Hello everyone. Today we're gonna be talking about a little bit of what I love to do. Part of my work is teaching students, but in this case it's going to be little kids. So what you're going to see right now is what activities you can do, what are other things you can do around a show that helps the kids to have fun, and also if you're the teacher, then what other activities you can have around and do with the kids so they feel they're part of the show. They have decorations for the show, so you have a beautiful show at the very end and they are happy with it and they don't get tired, because this age, it's not super difficult, but it has like some things that you always have to think, and is you need to have a bunch of activities around because they're always like, what's next? Okay, so what are we gonna do now is we're going to enjoy a little bit of the rehearsal part, the activities that we're gonna do around all this showcase, and then at the very end we're gonna have the showcase for all of you. Enjoy it. We really had a blast, and that's it. Let's go and watch how you can do Frozen Dreams summer camps. Baby, show me. Ooh, look. Annie, show me your Olaf.
Olaf?
Oh, Annie.
Olaf, yeah.
Oh, it's super cute. Look at that. That one really looks like it's smiling. Like, really. Are we already here to see that big eye? I wonder why. Look at my beautiful dragons and Elsa. Elsa's waiting for you. So we hope to see you here this Friday, everybody. Because before we do the first day, it's gonna be awesome. Woo-hoo! Say Frozen! We have Frozen fever. Thank you so much